Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We finally got the orange B5 S4. So a little history behind this car. This car was originally my brother-in-law's Tahoe tint. Check him out on Instagram, I'll put his link right here. He's been through a lot of cars, but this was one of his original cars. It's been around for a really long time. It's seen better days. But let me just give you guys a little walk around. This car was stage 2 before. Some guy did a stage 3 setup on it and did not do a very good job, so we're gonna tear it all apart again, and we're gonna hopefully do it right, and hopefully it runs better than it did, because right now you turn it on and it's just backfiring crazy popper. Something's definitely not right, so we're gonna pull everything and make sure everything is right. So check out this car. The new owner, his name's Victor Cassian. He's a local guy to us. It's wants to get it running right. Like I said, he did a custom, like, molded on duckbill, but he rear-ended somebody and they fucked it all up. But check it out, guys. It's a pretty clean car. Carbon pillars, shifter, really nice interior, Centron. If I even said it right, a Celtron. Yeah, there's a, I don't know if you guys could see, let me get a flashlight. Just really not done right. Just really not done right. Whoever did it didn't know what he was doing. Probably thought it was just turbos, but we're gonna get it done right. Check it out. You guys see this right here? It's an exhaust. That's a piece of flex pipe exhaust. They didn't even use the downpipes for the F21 turbos. They kind of just made their own, I guess. Yeah, so we're gonna get at it. Might put you guys on the laps real fast. I'm gonna just put out the front end, see what's what, see how everything is, see what's missing, what's there, and give you guys a quick walk around. You guys see me pull these subframes a lot, so just another subframe drop. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll give you guys another update. This thing right here, check this out. This thing has been around since me and my brother-in-law also. This is our old carbon intake housing. He gave it to me. It's been around for years. Just been waiting for a B5. I might let one of my buddies get it. Yeah, we'll give you guys another quick little tour on this thing. Alright guys, giving you guys a slight update. I put my phone on time-lapse, or I mean my GoPro on time-lapse, but for some reason it didn't record. The battery died and now I had to put in a battery, so we lost all that footage. But here it is. I'm gonna show you guys some pretty gruesome stuff right here, but check it out. So this guy, the owner of the car, got a F21 kit with inlets, everything that he needed. Just swap it out, connect everything correctly, but whoever did this job cut the inlets. So come check this out. He just didn't know what he was doing, and he just did a lot of things that were wrong, and let me show you. So he put the wrong side as inlet. So this is supposed to be mounted to your block right here. So this is the driver's side, and the passenger side's even raunchier. Look at what he did. He cut it up like that, flipped it around, and then he put a piece of exhaust right here in the center. I don't know if you guys could see that. Yeah, as a coupler. He used a coupler, and then he cut one of these original lobster claws right here and used it to connect to this. I don't know why they did that. All the information's online. So this car has a huge boost leak, I'm assuming. I bet 100% that that's why it's running like that. And you guys could see the piece of exhaust flex pipe ran as an inlet instead of the actual inlet. And who knows if it's even connected to the turbo now at this point. So I was gonna pull out the front end. I usually put anybody that's pulled a B5 pull out the AC compressor, AC condenser, and you flip it up on this side. So they drained the whole AC, so I just used that. They didn't even bother to fill it up, but we'll make that right. Yeah, it just keeps on getting worse. It's just they try to fix everything with hose clamps. You need to make sure that these diverter valves are actually on correctly now that I'm this far, because it's running. And like they didn't even bother to cover the engine mount. It's just snapped off. And one thing that really gets me, guys, like if you guys are working on your car, Audis, you like using O-rings. Audi likes using O-rings. Don't put RTV where your O-ring's supposed to go. I'll show you guys. If you're scared of a seal, just buy a new O-ring. Buy a new hose. These are cheap. They're like 15 bucks. Look at all this that goes inside your engine. This is not good. This is not good for your engine. Not good for your cooling system. And same thing, they were such a pain in the ass to pull out. But look how much silicone there is inside of it. I'm not even like, look at this. I'm not even kidding. So don't put silicone, guys. Just take your time and do it right. Don't try to do the fast way. Looks like there's an oil leak. Maybe cam seals are leaking. So I was planning on this being a one video car, like putting it together, getting ETS, getting Blake to tune it. That's my plan. That's literally what it was. Do a couple drive-bys, blah blah. But now it's getting more involved. I feel like this car needs a lot of attention. A lot. Check this out. He just cut that. Just, if you don't know, ask questions, guys. Always that's how I learned. That's how everybody learns. Look online. There's a lot of information online. Hopefully this thing doesn't happen to you. This was from a shop, guys, so don't trust every shop. We're gonna fix it though. Like I said, enough talking shit. It's just a little gruesome. I've never seen something like this before, but we'll get it. Alright guys, so this is another day. Couldn't finish pulling out the engine. That was Saturday. This is Sunday. So Sunday afternoon, checking this out. It is officially out. And boy oh boy, what I have found. So remember I was telling you guys there's a piece of exhaust? Yeah, that's it. So this turbo right here seems like the line is kinked. Do you see where it's hitting? So that is no bueno. Pretty sure this side over here is going to be a little bit worse. Oh no, it's actually better. Better, surprisingly. So what they ended up doing, so I found out, right? The inlets, they put them in backwards. Let me get my flashlight. So they put in the inlets backwards, so they couldn't make it fit. So they cut the inlet. Just gonna check it out. So they cut it for the left on the right and the right on the left. Then they used some radiator stuff that I use on the semis. Then check this out, boys. They use exhaust pipe for the inlet. It's pushing so much pressure on this that the wastegate is stuck. And look at what's behind our wastegate. It's a bolt. This is how I found it. As you guys are seeing it, I just finished pulling it off. And I think this bolt, they stripped it from here. That's how they found it. They stripped it from the turbo itself. So yeah guys, sometimes it doesn't pay to pay a shop to do your stuff. So yeah, there's just a bunch of odds and ends that are not right on this thing. I don't even know if they plumbed the wastegates correctly. It's just nightmarish. But like I said, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna do it right. Might recommend a couple replacement parts. This engine mounts are shot. I don't know why they didn't caulk that turbo. Don't know why that happened, but thanks for sticking by. Next video we will be showing you guys the assembly. So it's gonna be 2-part, maybe 3-part with the tuning of me trying to correct this build right here, and we will get it right. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more 2.7 B5 orange. Might clean this up a little bit. See ya.